arrive in style with this 2013 Ram 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power outlet, 4-wheel disc brakes, tow hitch, AC, engine immobilizer, power steering, passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, and bed liner. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.